Hi student, today we are going to learn the poem Comparisons. See, the poem is by an anonymous poet. The name of the poet is unknown. This poem is a string of opposites. Comparisons are made with opposite pairs having at least one common features. The poem brings forth the first diversity in the world around us. The comparisons fast as a passive, slow as a snail. Here, the poet has compared the speed of spaceship with the snail, big as a dinosaur, small as a snail, or small as a nail. The poet here has compared the size of dinosaur with the nail. Dinosaur is always big rather than nail. Fierce as a tiger, gentle as lamb. The poet in that line they compare the characters of the tiger or temperament of the tiger with the lamb. Tiger is always fierce and lamb is always gentle. Sour as lemon, sweet as jam. In that line, the lemon is compared with the jam. Lemon's taste is sour and jam's taste is sweet. Dry as the desert, wet as the sea. Here as the compare the presence of the water. If you compare the desert, there is no water, and the sea there is the water, the presence of water there. Square as a house, round as a pea. In that lines, the poet has compared the shape of house with the shape of pea. House shape is always square and pea's shape is always round. Cool as cave, warm as toast. Here the compare the temperature of cave with the toast. If you went in the cave, there is always cold or cool. Or if you went in front of toast or fire, there is always warm. Noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost. If you see in the road, on the road there is always noise. Or if you see the ghost, there is always quietness. So the sound is compared here. Strong as an ox, weak as kitten. Here is compared the physical power of ox with the kitten. Ox power is strong rather than kitten's power is weak. Hard as rock, soft as mutton. Here is firmness is compared. The rock is always hard and soft. Mutton is always soft. Dark as a tunnel, light as the moon. Here is the compare the brightness of the tunnel with the moon. If you went in the tunnel, there is always darkness, and if you see the moon always gives light to us. Nighttime, midnight, daytime, noon. See here as the highest point compared, or the peak or the zenith is compared with the night and daytime, or nighttime with daytime. Night times there is the peak or the highest point is midnight, and daytime there is the highest point or the peak is noon. Tall as giant, short as an elf. Here is compare the height of giant with the elf. Elf means small fairy tale, small fairy, crooked as a mountain path, straight as a self. Here is the compared form or counter with the mountain path self. If you see mountain way or the path is always bent or crooked, and self covered self is always straight. The world is full of opposite, so think of some yourself. In the last two lines, the poet is saying that the world around us is full of opposites, and the poet is encourages to us or the readers to think of some yourself, that means himself or herself, that means ourself. We have to think the around the world or around us there are so many things we can see, there are the opposite we can see around to us in the world. Okay, in this way we have seen the explanation of the poem comparison. Thank you.